So
The brothers.
they are
So
not,
he is the older brother.
you are right, but they are not from the same mob. In our part of the world, we don't have the word cousin. My mother's sister's children are my brothers and sisters. No distinction. Utumfo was saying to the second last 2 years was part of the coronation of King Charles. And the soul, the spirit of Asante. So it's more than a chair. It's a God. That it doesn't come out regularly. It comes out every 5 years, or when Asante is celebrating a milestone. That is when it comes out.
It's also very, very precious.
You are right. It's priceless. Priceless.
Yeah.
You can't. Yes.
No.
We have a king who was arrested to Seychelles for 28 years. Otumfo Ajimaprempe the first. He was only 18 years when he was installed, and he ruled for years, and only 26 years when he was arrested in the year 1886. First, he was taken to your first Danish Nakas year 1917, but the remains were brought early 30s. So that is how I come. So when he was arrested, the cloth he was wearing, in the year 1900, when the king, the queen mother, and some of the chiefs had been arrested to Seychelles, the